Hello buddy, today I will teach you how to install the spare parts to the rebar bending machine. Now we have to prepare 3 shafts, 2 gloves and 1 block bolt. Firstly, we put 1 shaft to the central hole and put 1 glove here. And then we put the second shaft to the other and put the gloves to the shaft. Now we have to check the distance of the both shafts. If the distance is smaller than the rebar diameter, we can remove 1 glove and check the distance. If the distance is also smaller than the rebar diameter, we can put the shaft to the other hole and the distance is big. And then we put the block bolt and we have to check this shaft and block bolt in the same line. The other shaft here. Now it's finished.